Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I'm on a quest to invest, and today going to be talking about a new favorite here at Sky Talks Trading, BBIG Stock. First of all, gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own opinions. So when it comes to BBIG Stock, Vinco Ventures, something we gotta be aware of is that retail now owns 92% of the float. Right now, patience is your best friend. Nothing has changed since we entered this play. Things are only getting worse for the shorts. Not one share has been covered. They can manipulate, they can cause chaos, they can create fear. We know that that's what they do. We've seen it all before. But it costs nothing for you to just hold this stock until they fold. Yeah, I'm going to talk about the short squeeze action because I know that is a big appeal for a lot of people. And then I'm going to talk about some very important upcoming catalysts. And then we're going to do kind of a news section at the end about some other stuff going on with some stocks. That had to be the most vague way of describing what I'm going to talk about. But maybe you're just going to have to, hang around and see. So BBIG Stock comes in third place on Fintel's list of potential short squeezes this week. The company has appeared on the list frequently. They are no newcomer to this list. Vinco Ventures' short interest has increased from 11.6 million shares to 15.7 million. Fintel reports the borrow fee for BBIG shares are 146%, making it one of the most expensive stocks to borrow at the moment. Last week, the company had a borrow fee of 79.7%. BBIG shares went from $8 to $10 last week, a nice little jump. An increase after some potential profit taking last week on a move from $3 to $10 that had previously happened. The truth is, BBIG stock has been one of the most explosive stocks over the last 3 weeks. Like I say, rising from about $2 to over $12 at its recent high. And it remains one of the most shorted stocks in the market with an incredibly high borrow cost, a borrow cost of 146%. That is pretty high. And then BBIG's announcement of the 2021 proxy has created an immensely positive public investor sentiment. The sentiment right now for this stock is just so positive. I think, I'm going to throw out a price prediction right now. I think that $28 per share is pretty likely to be achieved by, the end of September. And this will just be the beginning of a very positive price trend continuing well into October and beyond, especially when I talk about the catalyst in just a second. But yeah, Vinco Ventures has just been generating so much buzz. For anyone right now unfamiliar with BBIG, it labels itself as a digital media merger and acquisitions company. And yeah, this is super true, as the leadership team has recently completed several acquisitions, including an 80% interest in Lomotive and 100% ownership in Immersive Entertainment. That is a good name, Immersive Entertainment, because that's all we want, right? When we're being entertained, we just want to be immersed so that we don't have to think our own thoughts and think about existence. So, sorry for shouting. Upcoming catalysts. September 15th, we've got the record date for proxy, which at the time of recording this is actually tomorrow, but maybe you're watching this on September 15th. Not to worry, September 22nd is the mailing date for proxy. And then on October 14th, we've got a shareholders meeting. Now, on October 15th, is the date for Tide spin-off dividend. Now, this is something pretty exciting. As someone who, came from a crypto background and now is into traditional stocks, this is pretty exciting. There is a digital currency that is coming from this company. It's a company called Cryptide, and that's where the name Tide comes from, which will be the name of the token. And the official date for the spinoff and trade on the NASDAQ is on October 15th. Apparently, all shareholders in BBIG will be getting a dividend in the form of Tide shares. Other than that, there's not much known, but hopefully by Wednesday, they will reveal more details on the spinoff and dividend. And, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be covering that. Going to be hopefully covering all things BBIG stock. I want to know how you guys feel about it. Do you think it's terribly overhyped, or do you think it's a solid play? Let me know. Now, just a little bit of news. the general stock market news. What is coming up for autumn? Well, analysts at firms including Bank of America, Citigroup, Deutsche Bank, and Morgan Stanley recently published notes citing the high risk of a pullback in the US equity market, according to the Wall Street Journal. Several factors, including euphoric investor sentiment, frothy valuations, inflation concerns, and of course, supply chain disruptions have dampened outlooks. So the outlook for the autumn isn't great overall. Meanwhile, though, Goldman Sachs is more bullish on tech stocks, with Monday, Workday, Adobe, and Snowflake among its top picks. Also, something pretty interesting for anyone who is following Tesla, Cathie Wood has sold more than $100 million of Tesla, despite saying it will rise over 300%. So, a little bit confusing, People are a little bit confused by this. So she did that on last Wednesday. That's what the filings show. Wood has previously said she likes to trade around stocks' volatility and take profit after shares have risen. And why not? Good for her. Yet Tesla has also been struggling with global supply chain problems, according to its CEO, this guy called Elon Musk. Don't know if you've heard of him. Yeah, but she has given the company a $3,000 price target, which is 300% higher than its closing price of $755. But yeah, ARK didn't give a reason for the sale. But like I said, Wood herself has previously said that she likes to do a little bit of swing trading, a little bit of day trading. I guess it would be swing trading. She told CNBC in 2020 that she likes to take some profit every now and then and buy the dips when stocks fall. So don't panic. It doesn't mean anything long term for Tesla. She is still extremely bullish. ARK is still extremely bullish on Tesla. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and listening. And until next time, have a great day.